Hey there, and welcome back. I finally made it. I'm in my classroom. It's not the time I wanted to get here. I just didn't get much sleep last night. You know that feeling, that first day of school feeling where you don't sleep the night before? That was me last night. I think it was just thinking about everything that I needed to do before the first day of school. My goal for today is to unpack, rearrange, and organize. I can't take everything off until I know how I want to rearrange my tables. The floors are nice and shiny though. It won't last very long, but here is my current setup. I have some pods of 4 and 6 and my kidney table up front. I actually want to change this up a bit. I'm probably going to move the kidney table out of the way. I don't want it up front. I want to shift the tables forward so that students are closer to the Promethean board. These tables are kind of heavy and I don't have any help, so it's probably going to take me some time. These are the same tables that were here when I came to this elementary school. I wish we had newer tables where each student had their own individual desk. It would give me the flexibility to move the desks around. My mom used to come and help. She was so helpful, but she's older now and I don't want her to do any heavy lifting or moving things around because I know she will do it. I have 2 boys, they're young adults. They both work. One lives out of state and the other one, I don't expect him to take the day off to come and help. So I'm going to do this slowly but surely. It doesn't seem like my plan is going to work out. If I continue to do the setup of tables like this, I'm going to actually run out of room. I put the kidney table back there, but then moving these 2 tables together to have 4 looks rather cramped. And the 2 tables back there, if I was to move those to T-shaped, I wouldn't have enough space. So obviously this setup is not working. I think the rearranging of furniture is complete, so I can check that off my checklist. I kept this table a pod of 4. I have 6. I did move my teaching station in the back. That's my kidney table. I made this 6 in the back, and then 4 in the front. That's an extra table. I'm going to use that to store any boxes of books underneath. I actually have a tablecloth that covers that. I kept this the same with the air purifier there. This is where my library books will go. I just finished dusting. This is just over the summer. It's really gross. I may need to bring, I don't know if I have an extra one. I may need to bring another because I need to get on top of the closets and any little spaces in the back. That rolling cart there is really dusty. I need to figure out how I'm going to make good use of it. Pretty much just stayed in that corner. I think I can do something else with it, make it a little more useful for my classroom. So I was getting close to getting on the freeway and I realized, oh, I don't have my step ladder, so I had to turn back around and pick it up. In the past, I would advise you don't do this. I used to use the tables to take the things off from on top of the closets. Not a good thing to do. So if you don't have a step ladder, really invest in one of those. It's not safe. I've kind of fallen a couple of times. And the best part is when you can't reach something and you put the chair on top of the table. So don't do that. That's a no-no. You can seriously hurt yourself. have a sip of coffee. I need some caffeine. I was able to stop at one of my favorite places, Tierra Mia Coffee, on the way to work. This is what I have left. These are my social studies and science books, along with the teacher guides. I'll put those in one of the bookshelves. I found these postcards, Welcome to Fourth Grade. I completely forgot about these. I'm going to see if I could find the rest of them and start filling them out this evening. Our district will usually pay for the postage, but I think it's going to take too long and my students won't get these on time. It's basically, I write a handwritten note saying, I'm excited for you to be in my class. Going door to door to say hello to my students is not an ideal thing to do, especially where I work. I'm hoping the postage isn't too much. I haven't done this in a while. The last 3 years, we've done a meet and greet where the students and the parents come and meet the teacher and take a look at the classroom. This year, we're not doing that, so I have an opportunity to still introduce myself. Okay, my body's telling me I'm tired. I did accomplish what I set out to do. Everything is off of the cabinets. I brought my pencil boxes. I did not fill them in. I don't think I have all my supplies quite yet. I'm missing my textbooks. Usually those are here by now, but they're not. I've organized everything that was on top of my closets. Tomorrow will be day 2 of my classroom setup. Hopefully the textbooks will be here. I'm going to also clean the tables, go through my closets to see what I need to take out and organize, and then make any little notes that I need as to what other classroom prep am I missing. I am done. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.